Watch this video to see how I go from looking like this to looking like, yes. But first, we gotta start here. Hi, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back. Welcome back to Dawn's Pixie. My name is Dawn, and I shall be your hostess. All right, my beautiful people, as you saw in the previous clip, I decided to add a little bit of a color to my hair, because it is summertime. Oh, by the way, this mirror that you guys are looking at, if you want one just like it, I have the link, okay? It's on Amazon. Click on the link in the description bar and you could get yourself a hanging mirror just like this. This is so helpful when I need to look at the back of my hair, the side of my hair. As you can see, that mirror has three different parts to it, okay? And all have mirrors in it. It's a godsend. So good. So grab yourself one just like this. Once again, the link is in the description bar, okay? But that being said, let's go back to the video. So yes, so it's the summertime and I am the kind of woman, I love color. Like I love to color my hair, and that's actually how my hair usually get damaged. And I've had about 3 big chops from, heat damage and hair damage. But that being said, I have found the perfect way, okay, because I've been itching to dye my bang, okay? I just got a haircut. For those of you who's been following me, thank you. If you have not yet, please go ahead and subscribe. So I just got a haircut, like maybe 2 weeks ago, because my bangs were really long and I wanted to kind of, shorten them out. Now, that being said, I also been itching at coloring my hair. But my hairdresser, okay, the hairdresser says that because now I have perm in my hair, okay, because I've been natural for the last 15 years, because I've been wearing wigs for the most part, okay, that's what I used to wear. And then I recently wanted to turn into a pixie gal, yes, short and sassy. But that being said, my hairdresser says that in order for me to, if I color my hair, I would have to bleach it, and then of course I'm gonna risk losing my hair, having heat damage and all that stuff, so I was like, oh my goodness. All right, so the best alternative is this, okay? People, watch the video to find and see what I decided to do instead. All right, keep on watching. So right here, as you can see, I am trying to wrap the hair after I did the foam. I am trying to wrap it up. And this paper wrap is also in the link, okay? So everything that I use in my hair, okay, mostly everything, you could find it on my Amazon link, okay? Just click on it and you will find it. All right. So, so I decided, let me make a video to show you guys what I did for all of my sisters out there who really wants to have color in their hair, okay, who wants to color their hair without having it be damaged. This is the perfect alternative, okay? So after I put the wrap on, after I did the styling gel and the styling foam, mold it, wrap it up, now I am drying my hair. This dryer right here, it could also be yours, okay? It's also in the link, okay? It's so great. I love this dryer. It's like hands-free. I get to, do things while I'm blow drying my hair, because it takes like 30 minutes. So see, here I am just working on my laptop as my hair dry, and it's cute. It's pink. It's girly. I love it. Now, after my hair is dried, and like I said, if you want a blow dryer just like that, click on the link, okay, on Amazon. Everything is listed. All right, so after the hair is dry, okay, then we get to have some fun. Yes, please pay close attention, my Dunce Pixie family. So so I'm just kind of like, the front of my hair was not thoroughly dry, so here I am with the hand blow dryer, okay? I am just blow drying it to make sure that there's no water, to make sure that everything is nice and dry, because we are going to apply heat. Okay, so another thing about having a pixie, okay, if you are the kind of woman who don't want to do no heat, it's going to be kind of hard. Okay, because usually when you have a pixie hairstyle, you will need to curl it, to flat iron it, to curl it, to put a perm on. So there's a few chemicals that goes into maintaining your pixie. Okay, but that being said, here I am. I'm just kind of flat ironing the hair, just making sure it is nice and straight, okay, before the magic starts. Okay, so stay tuned, y'all. And also, I want to let you guys know, if you like this shirt that I'm wearing, okay, this shirt, it's also in the link. Okay, so you guys could have a shirt just like this. Okay, and it comes in many different colors, many different varieties. Check out the website. Okay, that's my Spreadshirt website. All right, you could get a shirt just like that. But that being said, y'all, so here I am. Okay, I am flat ironing the hair. Okay, I am flat ironing the hair, making sure that everything is straight before the magic happens, y'all. And I'm just trying to adjust the heat level because I don't want it to be too hot, because my hair, let me know your hair type, because my hair is thin. I have like fine hair, it's thin, and it doesn't like the heat. Well, it likes the heat, but the heat does not like it back. So yeah, so that being said, here we go, y'all, here we go. Now here comes the magic. Are you ready? So I'm just kind of brushing it down before I introduce my new friend. Here she is. Ooh. Yes, y'all, this is the hair. This is the alternative. Okay, instead of dyeing your hair, this is what we are going to do. And of course, you guessed it, I know you must be asking me, Dawn girl, where can I get one? Don't worry, I got you covered. Click on the link. Yes, okay, it's on my Amazon link. You will be able to find yourself. Okay, there are different colors. Okay, there's like burgundy, of course, there's this color blonde, there's even a black one. Okay, so for those of you, okay, who have a short bang and you would like to add some growth to it, this piece would be perfect for you. It would absolutely be beautiful on you. Okay, I'm telling you. And it does not damage your hair. You get to keep your own natural beautiful hair, and you just clip it on when you want it to be on, and you clip it off when you want it to be off. Okay, now let's see now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, okay, as you can see, the hair is too long for me. Okay, like this bang, it's too long, so I want it to be a bang, but obviously it is too long. So what we are going to do is we are going to have to cut it. Okay, now y'all, promise me that you're gonna laugh with me, okay, because you're gonna see how I ended up cutting myself in this process. Okay, I'm telling you, beauty is painful. Okay, it is painful to be beautiful. I'm telling you, it is so true. If a woman think that looking good is easy, no, looking good, there's a whole lot that goes on. Okay, so that's why I'm telling y'all, okay, y'all better be highly selective. Okay, highly selective with who you date, who you marry. But that's for my other channel. See the blood? See y'all? Yes. Okay, so that's for my other channel. Okay, Dunn's Beautiful People. But anyhow, y'all, so I had to go get a band-aid. Okay, so the nurse needed a band-aid. Okay, so she had to become her own nurse. But hey, we must continue, y'all. Doesn't matter if we are in pain. Okay, the process must go on. All right, so this is the hair. Okay, after I cut it, all right, nice, right? I did a good job, right? And so after I cut it, of course, I decided to put it further back. Okay, so see, I put it further back All right, I'm clipping it further back so that it can, you know, come like up to my eyebrows, okay? Rather than like down to my nose, all right? So it's up to you, however long you want your bang to be. It's up to you, all right? But this is how I wanted to do. So just do it to your liking, okay? And I'm just blending the hair. See how nicely it just kind of blends in? So this is why we had to flat iron the hair in the beginning, okay? So you see, it's already looking nice, right? Like even before I curl it, I like how it looks. It looks nice. But wait, watch and see how the hair transforms after I curl it. Okay, pay close attention now. See how the different shades, the different colors. I love it, love it, love it. Yes. Yeah, she is starting to feel herself, y'all. I'm telling you. She is starting to feel herself. Okay? And here goes the other side, okay? I did not want it to look too curly, so I just went ahead. I did two things, okay? All right. I just did two big parts, and then I'm just going to blend them together, and voila. Ooh, that's my favorite part, y'all. It's just curling the hair. Okay, for those of you who've seen my previous videos, you know that I just get such satisfaction when the hair looks like that. Okay, so basically we are pretty much done, y'all. Okay, we are pretty much done, but hold up. Knowing me, I am a perfectionist when it comes to my hair, y'all. Okay, when it comes to my hair, I need it to be exactly right. So therefore, I decided to go with a smaller curling iron. Okay, I decided to go with a smaller curling iron to add more curls, like more well-defined curls to my curls. Okay, if you know what I mean. But anyhow, just watch and you will see. Okay, watch and you will see. So this is the hair, okay? Yes, she is feeling herself. Like I've told you guys, okay, I am not a professional. I am not a hairstylist. I am a lady who does not like to spend hours at the hair salon, okay, and who does not like to spend hundreds at the hair salon. So I rather do it myself. Yes, y'all see? Yes, this is the perfectionist in me, y'all. You see how like it's like more smaller and more well defined. My curls, okay, just more tight. All right, more tight. So yes, y'all, I do not like the hair salon at all. Okay, the last time when I went to get my hair done, okay, I had a horror story, a bad experience. Okay, the lady made me wait literally a full hour, okay, before she even see me. Okay, I'm telling you, I was just like, oh my goodness, this is such a waste of my time. I could have been, running my errands. Okay, so for those of you who don't like to go to the hair salon to waste your time, who don't like to, who rather spend your money on buying a wig or hair products, follow me. Okay, I'm going to give you every single tips and ideas that I, came up with, or that I researched, that I found. Yes, y'all, look at the hair, yo. Tell me, what do you guys think? What do you guys think, y'all? Okay, see, this is so pretty. This is what I'm talking about. Rather than damaging your hair, this is an alternative, okay? And you welcome. Yes, you welcome. Hey, yes, she is feeling herself, because us ladies, when we are feeling good, we need to go onto my website. Okay, go to Amazon. Go on Amazon, because I know you all shop on Amazon. Click on the link, okay, on Amazon, to get yourself a piece, okay, to get yourself this color. If you wanted this color, if you want red, whichever kind of color you want, okay, you could get yourself these clip-ons, okay? And also my t-shirt, yes, y'all, if you like my t-shirt, you could also get yourself a t-shirt, okay? And do me a favor, y'all, follow me on Instagram. okay, and DM me. I'd like to see a picture, okay? I'd like to see you rocking your new hair, rocking your new clothes, your new outfit, okay? Get yourself something, look good. This is the summer. We are out, just like Cardi B says, we're out. We're out, y'all. We're out. I love you, my beautiful people. As always, share this video, like this video, subscribe, okay? I will see you in the next video. Yes, y'all. Let me know your thoughts. Yeah, she is dancing for you. She is dancing for you. Know that, okay? You are the creator. You create the world you want. You create the kind of life you want. Okay, y'all? All right. So here I am. You let me know your thoughts. Ooh, yay! I'm again, y'all. Yay! I come to entertain. As always, my pixie family, I will see you in the next video. Okay, comment, share, let me know if this video was helpful to you. Okay, so this is my little Haitian compa move. Yes, I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Take care.